What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. Nothing like a hot summer day. Iced coffee and unboxing. What's better than that? Currently filming. We are in the 90s. We got down from like 100 a little while ago. Death Valley hit 130, record-breaking worldwide global heat wave. But we're looking good. Right here in front of us is a battery-powered drain cleaner, also named an Aguilar, I believe you pronounce it. Now, I've used a manual one before, and I'm very excited about a battery-powered automatic one. The manual one was a little sloppy. You can see that video. I will try to link that right over here right now in a card. And when the toilet is full, you don't really want to twirl it too much with the manual one. Again, this is a battery-powered automatic one. Get it in there. Of course, we're going to be showing you examples, not in an overflowed toilet. I'll show you one in a clean toilet just to save you some disgust. This is by the company Tacklife, and just like all my review videos, in the description box below is going to be this exact same product. After the video is done, you can pick one up yourself, read more, see what other people are talking about. And this is a 20-volt battery-powered drain cleaner. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box, run it through the test runs. All right, folks, let's get this sucker out real nice. Alrighty, on the top of the box, we are gonna have our 20-volt Tacklife 2-amp 20-volt lithium-ion battery pack right here. These look exactly like your high-end brand with a little clip here, ventilation on the bottom, and your connecting prongs right here as they insert into the machine. We have our user manual here, and let's go ahead and get this guy on out of here, and let's take a closer look at it before we do take it through the test drives. Here in this other box, before we do get to the main unit, we do have our charger here, which has a simple red light and green light right here, that when it is charged, it will go ahead and switch over to green. When it is charging, that red light will be lit up, and it just clips on just like that. All right, this is the unit here. The battery pack is on it, and we have our drain cleaner wrapped up inside this here. The front of it will look like this here, and this little handle here is forward and reverse. All right, so as we can see here, we have F and R with a neutral position as well. So this handle right here goes into 3 different positions. Right now it's all the way back in R, which means that if you hit the button, the center here would turn, of course, and it would reverse back in. It does have an LED light as well. We're gonna get to that in just a second here. So if I click this handle all the way forward, what we're gonna do is we're gonna see it come out, and we're also gonna see that LED light right there, being able to see as it's coming out towards you there. Now, if you have it in the middle position, so again, not all the way back, but in the middle position, it's gonna stay at this distance, and it's gonna circulate in that distance there, being able to clean all your drains there. So again, where you go ahead and click it back into the R position, and it twirls back into the chamber here. That's really, really cool. Again, 3 positions on the handle there. Ventilation on the side here with our battery pack. There is a battery indicator light on the back of it here as we push this button here, and all 4 LED lights light up so you can see the battery if it needs to be recharged or not. That's really cool. Overall, very well-made machine. These are a couple specifications that you might be interested in there. The rotation speed, the dredging capability, and the flexible shaft size. And then you guys can pause this if you want. This is the minimum wire gauge for extension cord, if that interests you at all. All right, let's go ahead and use it on a clean toilet. I think I'm gonna save you guys a lot of grief with that. All right, here we are at the clean toilet. And again, we're gonna be showing you how much easier this is than using a manual hand one here. So what you wanna do is, of course, we're gonna go in the forward position here, and we're gonna make sure we get the shot. Now, you don't wanna be too rough on your toilet, especially if you have a newer toilet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go at it at a nice angle here and go nice and smooth, because we don't want to scratch up our porcelain here. What's nice is it does have that LED light, which is really cool, as we can see the LED light there. All right, so let's go ahead and come in here so we don't block the shot, and we're gonna get in here. I would always go a little bit slower at first. Of course, with a clogged toilet, you might have to be a little bit guesstimation there, but as we can see here, we are now completely underneath there, and then we go ahead and just let it roll. As we're just not on full power, I'm pushing down the button about maybe 40% or so. and that thing is going and going. And then remember, now you have your neutral position here, that it will go ahead and not go out anymore. It won't come back at all, but it'll just kind of spin in the pipe there, as we can see it doing that. And then we pull it back, and it will come all the way back there. That thing is going super far, a lot better than my manual one, that's for sure. And not to mention, a lot better than having to use gloves and manually push it in with a manual drain snake, so to speak. This thing is cool. And then let's go ahead and get this guy all the way up. As you're on the tail end, if you can see, be careful. You just don't want to obviously whip it all around your porcelain toilet and scratch it. And you don't want any, obviously, poopy water flying on you. What I would personally do is I would actually, if you've unclogged it, I would actually keep it in there, flush it a few times, and so all of the wiring is getting washed with fresh water. That, or just take it outside, push it all the way out, hose it out, soap sud it, do whatever you want, let it dry it, and then reel it back in. This obviously is clean water, so real simple. But it does go super fast, as we can see there. It just depends on how quickly you want to do it. I would go slow at first until you're used to it. Boom, all the way back in the chamber, LED light off. That is a really cool machine, folks. Flush it down after you're done. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice clean toilet. Remove those clogs. I will have a link at the very end of this video where I show you my worst clog I've ever had using a manual one. Unfortunately, we splashed around some nasty water. So save yourself some grossness. Pick yourself up one of these. Guys, again, in the description box below is going to be this same Tacklife drain cleaner. 20 volt, you can't beat that. It'll be listed right below in the description box. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well. But guys, just like all my unboxing and review videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do review. If it does interest you and you do have the money, feel free to purchase ahead. Thumbs it up as well on your way out. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. My name's Chris. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.